Hello, I'm Philipp Hartenfeller, product lead at United Codes, and today we're looking at a small plugin that makes it easy to display Markdown in Apex. So let's get started. Alright, look at this. I just created a small page and we can see here some cool text in a table. And as you can guess, it's actually Markdown. So if we go to the page designer here, you can see here I have a Markdown region and it's type UC Reactive Markdown. So that's a plugin. It's free. You can download it from Apex World or from GitHub. Links are below. And yeah, you just add it to your page. And then in the attributes, you can see here, there is this template section. And you can add some templates. So here you can actually see this is a heading. This is indented, this is bold, and just tables. And for example, a thing that Apex does not natively do, even with the Apex Markdown package, is like tables. So here you can see a Markdown table, and you can see this plugin renders tables nicely. Another cool thing is that here we have actually a hidden item with more Markdown, and I can just reference it here. It's P3051 MD. If you refresh, we can see here in this item there was some more Markdown with like query and a bullet list. So yeah, you can even use items. You can like query from the database or like prepare some Markdown dynamically with PL/SQL and then just render it. So this plugin is called Reactive Markdown, and there's a reason for this because yeah, it is reactive. So if you reference other items, so here this is a Markdown region. Let us see. So we reference name, age, and city, and we have this reactivity mode attribute here, and it's either input, change, or off. And then an input, if I change something, you can see it immediately updates. Change would be similar, just when I leave this item, then it would update, not immediately. And off if you don't need this setting, but then you can even make like dynamic previews, or like if you are able to change something, this will always stay up to date without you having to create a dynamic action and then manually refresh it. Plugin also supports different themes. So the default one is GitHub Light. So here in the theme setting, GitHub Light. It's from GitHub. If you have the white mode, there's this dark mode. That's what I use to on GitHub, and also universal theme. And this will just copy the style of universal theme. So here you can see the colors. And if I, for example, switch to Redwood, you can see it now looks even different with different fonts. Or for example, Vita Dark. It will always fit your theme. You can also see like we support special syntax like this alerts, GitHub alerts, like mathematics, here like checkboxes. So yeah, have fun with it. Thank you very much for tuning in. Bye bye.